This is the video tutorial about getting rid of the pop-ups by the site Perust.xyz. Perust.xyz is a dangerous website. It may attack Google Chrome and it may affect other browsers too. This malicious site tries to trick you into basically downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. Such pop-ups are fake and totally deceptive. Do not tolerate them. Instead, just leave this deceptive page. Also, I recommend you to restart your computer with the help of reliable antivirus, and so I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner. For this purpose, go to the website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching your system to detect and remove other threats which could possibly still remain stealthily on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.